Years ago, I've used this keyboard to control Cubase, and the colors made it easier for me. Later, I found these stickers with all the shortcuts at AliExpress for about 10 euros. I have used this keyboard for about 12 years. There were some issues and I had to replace it. And I bought this for a little more than 30 euros. I bought 3 of them. 2 upstairs, 1 downstairs. I was looking for some shortcut stickers again, and this came by. A keyboard with a shortcut on it. For this price, never. This has the same size as my new keyboards. I don't like the price. And this is what I found. I already had the Apple keyboard, and I found this sheet. Also at AliExpress, of course. The size of my new keyboard is the same as the Apple keyboard. This set has a rechargeable battery inside. The keyboard as well as the mouse. The sheet fits like a glove. I was looking for stickers at AliExpress, but they are no longer available. Not for Cubase. I'm glad I found this. If I have to type something, I remove the sheet. If you go to the site from AliExpress and you type in Cubase shortcuts, you find this. Only not for this price. Then you have to search a little longer. The first thing that appeared was 15 euros, then 18 euros, 12 euros, and so on. And when I found this, 5,40 euros, I bought 3 of them. And 3 of these as well. Works perfectly. And the rechargeable batteries are okay.